Get ready to expand your vocabulary and dive into a world of expressions that will make you sound more professional and confident when speaking English.
What's your take on this? What's your take on this? Max, what's your take on the recent announcement from the company? Let's switch gears. Let's switch gears. Let's switch gear and talk about something more positive. Second nature, innately. Second nature, innately. I'm innately good at drawing. Drawing is a second nature to me. To give someone an earful. To give someone an earful. The teacher gave the class an earful because no one had done the homework.
In the doghouse. In the doghouse. I lied to her and then I was in the doghouse for 2 weeks. To be in disgrace. To be in disgrace. What you have done today will bring disgrace to you. I rest my case. I rest my case. Once she saw the data supporting the new approach, she nodded and said, I rest my case. I know where you're coming from. I know where you're coming from. I know where you're coming from, and I appreciate your honesty.
I don't buy it. I don't buy it. The teacher didn't buy my story about the dog eating my homework. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. Walking through a graveyard always gives me the heebie-jeebies. I won't keep you any longer. I won't keep you any longer. I won't keep you any longer, I know you are busy. Go back a long way. Go back a long way. My grandparents go back a long way. They've been married for over 50 years. Don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger. I hope you had a good time. Don't be a stranger and come back soon. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. He uses it to keep in touch with friends around the world. Just what the doctor ordered. Just what the doctor ordered. On Friday, we finally used the fireplace, and it was just what the doctor ordered on a cold winter's night. Sweep it under the rug? Can you sweep it under the rug? My father has helped me deal with things instead of sweeping them under the rug. Pull the rug. Pull the rug. I'd love to up and quit my job, but I just can't pull the rug from under their feet like that. Keep your pants on. Keep your pants on. I will be ready in a minute, please, keep your pants on. Cut me some slack. cut me some slack. I gave him what he wants, because I wanted him to cut me some slack. What a rip-off. What a rip-off. I paid too much money for that outfit. What a rip-off. Turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye. As a police officer, you cannot turn a blind eye to any of the illegal activities around you. Give a piece of the action. Give a piece of the action. When my brother saw how much money I was making designing websites, he wanted a piece of the action and started working with me. Get the push. Get the push. He was caught in the act for his white-collar crime. It wasn't long until he got the push.
How did you ring in the new year? How did you ring in the new year? How did you ring in the new year? Did you go to a party or spend a quiet evening at home? Tip someone off. Tip someone off. The agent who tipped them off had joined their escape into the woods. For my sake. For my sake. Please don't argue with your brother for my sake. I don't want to cause any trouble. Blow off steam. Blow off steam. When I need to clear my head, I go out and blow off steam by going for a run along the beach.
Follow the instructions to the letter. Follow the instructions to the letter. A good soldier must be able to follow instructions to the letter. Otherwise, they could put their entire unit in danger. To dawn on someone. To dawn on someone. It suddenly dawned on me that I hadn't eaten all day. I overslept. I overslept. After staying out late, he overslept, missed an important exam. To take it on the chin. To take it on the chin. When the police arrived, he took it on the chin, apologizing for the trouble he'd caused them.
Learn the ropes. Learn the ropes. It is important that you learn the ropes and know your father's business well before you take it over. To have sticky fingers. To have sticky fingers. The thief who entered the store yesterday had sticky fingers because he took everything on the counter. Dog eat dog. Dog eat dog. In the business world, it's often dog eat dog. To bundle up. To bundle up. In this cold wind you'd be wise to bundle up well.